Hi there, my name is Dr. Kerry Yerkew. I am a chiropractor and professional coach with 30 years of experience in chiropractic, building teams, and coaching other health professionals. Today I want to go over this blog article that I wrote about chiropractic coaching and how I can help you grow your practice and achieve your goals. Most chiropractors, when they graduate and they're in practice, are very capable of seeing patients. You're experts at treating people. You've had lots of training, experience, critique from clinicians, but what we don't have is a lot of business experience, and we're not taught that in chiropractic college. So I think as chiropractors, we struggle with getting new clients and retaining existing ones, following through with plans and strategies, stimulating referrals and word of mouth marketing, financial and administrative aspects of the business like cash flow, financing, balancing personal and professional life. Sometimes we can go overboard in one area or another, keeping up with the latest research and trends in the field, dealing with stress, burnout, and frustration. So these are common areas of help that professionals need from a coach. And I've certainly used coaches myself over my career. Now I'm in a position after 30 years to provide coaching services to other health professionals. So how does this differ from other types of coaching? Well, first of all, I've been there and done that. I've been a chiropractor for 30 years. I'm still practicing, so it's always beneficial when you have somebody who's been there and done that. And so the coaching I provide is unique for the chiropractic profession. And the marketing and management, leadership, communication is all geared towards building chiropractic practices and chiropractic teams. What's the benefit of chiropractic coaching? It'll help you clarify your vision and mission for your practice. It'll help you set realistic and measurable goals. Those are SMART goals. Help you implement and execute your plan and your strategy. Help you monitor and evaluate your progress and results. So some accountability to the plans that you make by doing follow-up coaching calls. Help you identify and overcome strengths and weaknesses. Solve problems, overcome challenges, especially with patients or with staff. Help you learn new skills and strategies. Help you stay motivated and inspired. Help you celebrate your successes and learn from your failures. So it's going to shorten your learning curve, and you're going to have somebody on your side where sometimes it can be lonely to be a professional if you don't have a lot of help. What you can expect from the coaching is increased client satisfaction and retention, increased referrals and word of mouth marketing, increased revenue and profitability, increased efficiency and productivity, increased quality and consistency of service, increased confidence and credibility, increased innovation and creativity, and increased satisfaction and fulfillment. And often what chiropractors notice is not only do they grow in their practice, but once they leave their practice, there's a lot of personal growth that happens from working with a coach. Here's how to find a chiropractic coach. So here's some tips for you on how to find one. I'm available to help you. I'll give you a link in a second. Some frequently asked questions are, how much does it cost? How long are the sessions and how do they take place? What can I expect from the coaching sessions? And then which coach is right for me? So here's some answers for you on those commonly asked questions, some testimonials of clients that I've worked with, tips and resources on how you can follow me on YouTube, social media, and my podcast. And then if you're looking to book a session, you can click on this link right here, which will take you over to the coaching that I set up right here. And the coaching, there's three basic platforms. One is the basic, the standard, and then the premium. So for the basic platform, it's a good opportunity to get that initial call, find out more about our service, and then be able to find out if it's a good fit for you. So a 30-minute coaching call where we'll discuss your goals, your current challenges. where you've come from, where you want to go with your practice. And then the standard package, which is 4 coaching calls over a period of 1 month, and they're 30 minutes each, which allows us to follow up on what we've discussed. And then there's a premium package, which is 13 weeks or 13 calls, and it's a 3-month delivery for that, and we'll schedule follow-up sessions. And then there's one other option for you, and that is to get some email and text support in between calls. So there's an add-on package to that as well. So if you're interested, I'd recommend starting with the basic, schedule that call, and then if you like what we have to offer with True North and our coaching, then you can go ahead, purchase the standard package or the premium package, go through 1 month of coaching or 3 months of coaching, and reevaluate your goals at that time. If you have any questions, please reach out to me via my website, or you can type a message right here, contact me, and I'd be happy to help you.